Okay, how to compound or withdraw your money in IPC. Today is payday in IPC. Every Saturday, if you invest in IPC, what they do is they take the profits that you made for that week, they put it in your USDT wallet, and the idea is every Saturday they give you the option to cash out or to compound. So let's say you want to compound means that you want to put in more money into that account. That's compound. Cash out means you want to send out the money. I don't want this money, I want it to go either to go and trade for me, or I need cash. Now if you want it to go and trade for you, you can send it to a place like Binance and let it start trading. For those of you that know how to trade, if you don't know how to trade, of course, you know, you can always learn trading from my platform TLI, Today's Class International. That's what we are in for. We are online business school teaching our members how to make money online. But I want to do two things here now so that I can show you both. Okay, if you want to compound, what do you do? All you need to do is to click on transaction. You click on this four dotted line by your right side, click on transaction, click on internal transfer. So it's already telling you that you want to transfer from your wallet to MT4. So I want to transfer from the wallet. So let's say I want to compound. All you need to do, for those of I have two accounts, so this is one I use in training. So I'm going to use $50 from my earning. I want to transfer $50 to, so I'm only transferring $50 to increase my earning. So I've put $50 now, so I'm going to click on submit. So I had, my balance was 232, so I'm going to click on submit. Now internal transfer is successful, so I'm going back to my dashboard. So you can see that it has reduced my MT4. So it's just as simple as that. So just click on I'm doing that again. Click on transaction. Internal transfer is already set as a default. However, sometimes you may want to cash out from your internal transfer. You want to withdraw from your MT4 to your USDT, but for us, we hardly have a reason to do that, unless if you are very desperate. We hardly have reason, because every Saturday, what business do you want to do that pay you? In fact, which even salary, most of us in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria, we pay every month. Now this company, every Saturday, some people would have said every month, but every Saturday they move your profit, because you trade. You know, Forex is funny. I wasn't doing Forex. I can't even trade my Forex myself. So I like this robot trading for me. So every Saturday, Forex trading Monday to Friday. So they compound everything for you. Then every Saturday they now pay you. They now give you the option. If you like, withdraw the money. Now you get them. If you like, they compound. So they give. So some company will force you and compound for you. But this one is giving you option every Saturday. Just go and do it. So you come here and put what you want to. You know, you put the amount here. Okay, now another thing I want to do, I want to show you how to withdraw. I normally would have compound everything. I love to compound